Hello, I'm Liz Lumley of Finextra, and we're here at Future Money Nordics in Helsinki. And today I'm speaking to Dean Young of eWise, and we're going to talk about data privacy and digital identity. And I'm talking about digital identity because that seems to be a big topic of conversation in the financial services industry. But what impact will this have on customer data and privacy then?
Yeah, look, the banks have got a lot of motivation to work on the digital identity, from mitigating their compliance and risk problems, improving their efficiency and productivity. But once it's achieved, it's going to create a massive data for the customers and for the consumers themselves, and they're going to start to have concerns about data privacy, who's holding that data on their behalf, who's accessing it. And I think that's going to start to opening up a need for educating the consumers about data privacy and data security, so they can take a more active role in what their data is being used for and the potential uses for that data.
Do you see sort of an ecosystem developing to protect data privacy in the future then?
I think an ecosystem will develop, not so much to protect the data, but I think to take advantage of the data. And I don't mean take advantage from a point of view of a financial advantage for the bank or whatever institution's holding the data, but take advantage of the data from a point of view of providing better services to the consumer, allowing the consumer to better manage their financial position and their planning for the future. There's going to be a tremendous wealth of data there that needs to be a win-win for both the consumer and the organisation that's helping them aggregate and store that data.
Yeah, no, that sort of leads me into my next question, because there's a lot of talk about privacy and protection, but what are some of the benefits for consumers with this data ecosystem?
Yeah, I think as we move forward, we're going to be adopting more of an opt-in model for the consumer. So rather than an organisation holding data for hundreds of thousands of customers and potentially being able to mine that data for their own benefit, it'll be an opt-in model from the consumer, but once they volunteer their data to any organisation, they'll need to share in those rewards. They don't need to be financial. It could be reduced interest rates on their credit cards for allowing a bank to investigate and analyse their spending habits. That will better inform the bank's product decisions, but also give the consumer a reward and a cheaper interest rate. It could be offering better products. It could indeed be financial rewards to the consumer.